The host sitting in a music studio with various musical instruments and equipment in the background. I was recently on a hike with a good friend of mine in the music industry, and we were talking about AI. He believes that AI is going to make music producers obsolete. I personally believe that AI can't comprehend all the stupid the people that are breaking new boundaries, making new ideas constantly. I need a cumbia electro track with a hint of Beyonce vocals and some rhythm wubs in between to keep it interesting. Will benefit the most from it as they create new revolutionary music, while the people like love the music and that love certain kinds of music that follow trends, etc., will probably not benefit as much from it. Now, there's more to get into that discussion, but again, so recently Google had this little music LM thing and they finally allowed me to come utilize it. And the idea here is that I can input something, you know, like they say, try something like sounds that create a soothing and adventurous atmosphere, ambient soft sounding music I can study to, toe tapping, foot stomping, Americana. I wanted to see if AI is as scary and as good as people tend to be, because everyone on Instagram is like on a knee pad just oh my god, greasing AI's pole already. Like AI is like learning everything, and like the people that grease the pole the best are the ones that are gonna be able to utilize its full capabilities. And then there will be a war like in the Terminator, and John Summit will come down from the heavens and terminate AI with his fucking luscious. All right, so let's try something. So Google says we can put anything, and honestly it's giving a lot of Blue Bee boring recommendations. So I say, you know, we put top 10 Latin with vocals from Beyonce. Oh. Beatport top 10 Latin tech house banger. Oh, there it goes. Oh, here we go. I guess it couldn't do Beyonce. Oh. Oh, says. There's nothing Latin about that. It's the AI you guys all have been talking about. That ain't getting no trophy. I don't like to bag on the old people. I think you guys are the wisest of them all. The best advice I ever got from an old man is quit now. Life is so much better when you're not trying to chase something you can't have. That didn't really sound too dope to me. Where's the Congos? Where's Mochak dancing like he's having a seizure? Maybe we just need to put, how about we give it something simple like Malpi Tech House song. You know what? I can already see like 20 years from now, like they're gonna come for me, the machines. They're like, you didn't believe? I'm asking for Congos. Duro, duro. So I saw like again an Instagram post by some dude, like he was so impressed. I'm not impressed. What the hell is there to be impressed about? All right, let's try this. Maybe I'm just being too hard on it. I'm being too specific. Fast conga drums with the feel of being at a street carnival. Maybe that can generate some ideas, you know, because the idea of AI right now, like, you know, Google says, they're the salesman, so I shouldn't take their word for it. I should just take it like, you know, okay, you're going to make a song for me or not? All right, let's try this melodic techno, because the melodic techno guys are the ones that are like, oh, it even has the crunchy clap. All right, the crunchy clap. Fucking, it's on the Morse tutorial on Sonic Academy, bro. I know how to solve this issue. Just don't put any content online teaching music production, and AI won't learn music production, bro. Like, think you can teach AI how to have swag? That asshole, bro. So much swag. Like, I heard Lennon, I was like, holy, this is sick. And then I heard Sweat, and it's like, oh God, I love this. How do you do that? Yeah. I heard the AI giving me that help. I can see AI replacing people that use sequencers, you know, those modular heads with like, you know, so many cables are trying to like anally impregnate everything on the modular gear. You know, AI can learn how to stick a bunch of like little things into holes since they can't get none. I'm just kidding. I love you guys. You know, I'm just trying to make some jokes. I can see sequencer based songs, sequence based, replaced by AI. But the thing that will be hard for it to replace is human intuitivity. Little mistakes done on purpose that add so much swag the AI won't be able to recognize. You know, it's like street smarts. All right, let's see if it can make a drum and bass roller. This is interesting for me because I've been working on a new drum and bass pack. Okay. And maybe I can steal some of the drums from this and put it in the sample pack. But I've been creating a new pack for drum and bass, which you guys can support hopefully. So AI should be able to be used by sound designers as well to come up with new ideas and stuff. Maybe I'll do like this bass where it's like, oh my God. Okay. All right, you guys definitely getting replaced over there in the UK world, bro. Y'all getting replaced. There's no doubt about it. It's already good at it. Good job, I'm coming in with the DMV sound. AI. It's already gonna replace the guy on the fucking bike DJing, bro. Let me see. Make a trance tech house track, which is something I've always been interested about. See, I'm breaking boundaries. I'm getting the Asians and the fucking Latinos together. I mean, it has a swing. Oh, that one just makes me feel like I'm in Thailand, bro. I'm all looking for the snatch, the honeys. Weekend bender style house music. Oh, yeah. I definitely smoke some crack to this. Oh, I need that lead, bro. Yeah, that's definitely Weekend Bender music. I don't know what John Summit's making, but this is definitely what he'd be making if he was fucking cracked out. Like, you got his ass and put a laptop in front of him. Like, make a song, John. Make cocaine house music. Make crack-filled house music. This one, it understood this one. Holy shit. Oh. Uh-oh, this one's good. Ah. The initial part was good. I could get inspired off that. Like, I'm a dance music producer, so we're probably the first ones that will get replaced by AI, but so far I'm not impressed. Like, I'll be straight up. Any of these songs come into my feedback stream that I do every Thursday at 9 a.m. PST time. This sounds like a 50-year-old guy that still lives in the basement with his mom that never fucking made it. However, I'm also not gonna act stupid. Eventually AI is gonna get better. You're gonna tell it to make a cocaine tech house track and it won't know where to start, while a human might say, oh, cocaine tech house. We need this, 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 this. We need a beat like this with a sound like this. And that person will have all the power in the world just because they snorted some cocaine in their college days and were able to make and make tech house. I know a lot of you guys are going to disagree with me. You guys are probably right. You know, I make money in this industry, so the idea of AI taking my job is scary. However, I am very adaptable. The stuff that has gone through me. No, guys, but that is me reacting to Music LM, which is a project by Google for AI. Also, I do use ChatGPT now to make the titles for some of my videos, and sometimes it does a good job, sometimes it doesn't. But the cool thing about AI right now is that it definitely inspires, and it's a good avenue to look at and get inspiration from. And yeah, maybe one day it will replace us. But good thing that is. But the good thing is that I'll be dead by then, so there's that to look forward to. Hopefully this video is my legacy. Hit like if you agree. My name is Sam World. I am a professional sound designer. If you guys are looking for some sick sound banks, consider going to evilsounds.com. You can find all my sound design work. Presets are utilized by people like Hardwell, James Hype, Space 92, Mal P, Aid Luck, Lost Frequencies, David Guetta. Also, Glow, I had your drinks yesterday at 8-Track's masterclass thing. You guys can sponsor me. I'll fucking have your drink here every single time, man. I love this thing, man. Now, if you guys are looking for some music producer knowledge before AI comes and takes over, I made a video about buildups. What makes buildups unique? What makes them work? Check the video out, as I like to use a bit of case studies to show you what big producers do in order to make their buildups work, from getting rid of low end. You guys have a great rest of your day.